Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the SUNNYFEEL Camping Directors Chair, a heavy-duty, oversized portable folding chair perfect for all your outdoor adventures. This chair is designed with your convenience in mind, featuring an anti-pinching and click-to-lock mechanism that makes setup effortless and safe, with an open size of 21 by 25 by 36 inches and a compact packed size of 20 by 19 by 5 inches. Weighing just 13.4 pounds, this chair is easy to carry and store, yet it boasts a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for adults. The chair's double-seam 600 by 300D Oxford cloth and 200 grams mesh provide excellent durability and breathability, ensuring comfort during extended use. With a side table, integrated beverage and phone holders, and a double front multi-pocket for ample storage, your hands remain free and your belongings organized. Whether you're camping, fishing, attending a concert, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this versatile chair is built to accompany you anywhere. So, get ready to elevate your outdoor experience with the SUNNYFEEL Camping Directors Chair, your perfect companion for any adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.